Alright, ladies and gents. Just finished cleaning the wound here. As you can see, I did a hell of a number on it. I fucked up. I fucked up pretty good. That comes clear up to about here. It's kind of hard to see with the sunlight here, but as soon as I get in the way, it gets too dark. Alas, we're just gonna fix this. Yeah, I broke it right there on that clip. Nailed it. So, we're just gonna have a look-see around here. And, yeah, we're gonna find out if I gotta watch out for anything when I go to drill into here, which doesn't look like I do. I think, yeah, right up until about there. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll be golden here. Sick. Wow. I'm gonna get a drink and a couple more things here. I gotta get something to stand this GoPro up on. I don't have any stands yet or anything to put it on while I'm just working on stuff. I have the mounts in my cars, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this here. Drift stitch 1 complete. It's a real tight fit. That drill bit is just as wide as my zip ties here. Let's see if I can get a good angle on this here. Show you, but yeah, they're like the exact same width. So the zip ties slide in there perfectly. They sit right inside. Nice, excellent, super tight fit. Should keep this guy from getting any worse on me. Number 2. is in place. Keeps it pretty well mated up there. I'm just gonna throw a few more in there just cause fuck it. I've already drift stitched the top and the bottom. I may as well go for the whole aesthetic here. Well, oh shit, my soda. Damn guys, I dropped my soda. Fucked up. Fucked up. Well, alright, here we are. Finished with all of that. So I'll go ahead and go get some clippers and clip that up. Well, there we have it. Drift stitched bumper. Holds that in place real nice now. That's solid once more. And it's just kind of freaking hilarious, if I'm being honest. Just kind of hilarious. Might get some footage of me giving her a bath later if I get some time here. I gotta see if we're gonna get time to do that or not. But yeah, if not, that's it. Drift stitched rear bumper on a goddamn Kia Soul. It's okay, I love this car. Great little daily.